It's no secret the B-52 is getting old. Parts of this plane inevitably wear down, but there's a shop on Barks Hill Air Force Base keeping the plane flying like new.
We are definitely the modern-day blacksmiths of the B-52 aircraft.
Airmen at the Metals Technology Shop manufacture parts of the aircraft from scratch.
As this bird continues to get older and older, we have to find ourselves making parts that normally used to be procured through a supply system.
They are responsible for things like designing, repairing, and fabricating parts of the aircraft using original blueprints of the B-52. But precision is vital when making a part.
We machine bushings, anything down to 1/1000th of an inch. For example, a human hair is approximately 16 thousandths. So we work with a precision that's smaller than 16 human hairs.
Our job is always dealing around precision. And the precision of the parts we make, or the precision of the holes that we drill and ream, everything is critical to the functionality of, say, a jet engine that's being mounted, or a spoiler bracket, which is a flight control system, and we have to make sure that those things are absolutely critically met by blueprint or technical data.
Airmen also precision weld in this shop.
What I'm looking for is complete penetration as well as an even bead, meaning I'm hitting both the top and the bottom metal at a 45-degree angle, meaning that the puddle that will form equally over both sides.
And then there's this, a jet machine that works underwater. It cuts pieces of metal using a sand-like material that blasts with a force of 30,000 psi.
But how does this water jet machine work? All you need is a flat piece of metal like this one, and then you input the design you want into that computer, and within minutes, voila, you have your part.
And I got spoiled. As an example, these airmen created this souvenir, a B-52 in a fleur-de-lis made out of aircraft-grade aluminum. But why underwater?
It cuts underwater because it cuts at an extremely high temperature. And if that cutter dips above the water, it is extremely loud, and it causes hearing loss because it shoots out such a high temperature that it'll spray that granulated powder everywhere.
Other shops on base work hard to also keep the B-52 flying. But if Metals Technology can't fix it, the part will be decommissioned to the boneyard.
We are the last resort, and we're called the backup of the backup.
Roxette, Pietri, Freeman, KTBS 3 News.